Good morning to you in kindergarten land. I want to say good morning to Ariana and Connor, Tatum and Alyssa. Good morning, Coley and Vivian, Brylin and Aiden, Brandon and Tristan. Good morning, Amara and Aviana. Good morning, Zoe and Axel. Good morning, Drake and Tobias. Let's start with our March song. There is a month with 31 days, and March is its name. Oh, March, March, and March is its name. Oh, leprechauns and shamrocks too. Spring is almost here. Oh, March, and March is its name. Oh, nice singing. All right, well, here's our March calendar. Today is Monday, March, and let's pull up this number. What number is coming up? What number is this, boys and girls? Well, what number comes after 22? Let's see if you can tell me without even counting. 22, 23. That's right. So today is Monday, March 23rd, 2020. Notice that I didn't say 23, I said 23rd, because when you taught calendar language, we end our letters, or our numbers, excuse me, with a different, we either put a like first instead of one. Instead of two, we say second. And today is the 23rd. Let's do our code date. I suppose I could keep the 3 there, couldn't I? Okay, I'll keep it there. All right, today our code date is 3-23-20. Whoop, there we go. Which that means that the 3 stands for March, because March is the 3rd month of the year. The 23 stands for the 23rd day in March. So that means we've had 23 days in March. And then the 20 stands for 2020. This is the year. So we have month, day, year. Now, we are going to keep these tallies. In fact, you know what? I betcha. Can I erase them? Oh, that was easy. Let's do 23 tallies. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once again, we are going to be counting by fives in a minute. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll put 10 right here. I hope that you're sitting down every time we get to a 5 and every time we have a number that ends in a 0. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I bet you're sitting down. Keep going. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I hope you're sitting down. Remember to sit down when we get to numbers that end in 5 and 0. And 5 and 0. Let's do 20, 23. So 20, 21, 22, 23. So what day will it be when I make my slash? Will it be Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday? You're right, it'll be Wednesday. All right, let's go to our weather. Let's see. Here, come with me and we will do it. We'll do Grand Forks weather. Let's see what it says. Oh, currently, and actually right now it's 6:36. So really early this morning. It is 12 degrees and it looks like it says clear with periodic clouds. That means that there might be some clouds in the sky today. So you'll be looking to see if that is the case the rest of the day. Let's go back to our calendar. And 12, let's see. We'll go to the thermometer and let's start by counting by tens. 10, then we'll go 11, 12. Boys and girls, what color are we today? We're purple. We're in the purple. We're in the purple. There we go. And when we go over here, I have to decide. Our sky isn't really any of these. It's not cloudy. It's not partly cloudy. It's not snowy. And it's not sunny. It's not stormy or windy or rainy. I'm kind of wondering what I should do. If I put sunny there, then it makes us think that the sky is bright. Well, what if I put partly cloudy, even though it says it's clear? Then it makes me think that there's lots of clouds in the sky. Boys and girls, I don't know what to do. I might do something. Here, let's do this. Let's go over here, and I'm going to cut and paste something. Boop, 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 boop. I don't know. We'll throw it in there. Gonk. Hey, look at that. We'll keep that there for right now. I don't know, because that means that it's clear and there might be some clouds. Periodic means once in a while. All right, let's go to the next screen. Let's put back these days, because today is a brand new day. And let's see if I can, whoops, here we go. Well, today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Did you know that I saw Drake walking yesterday? He was walking with his dad and his brothers. That was kind of fun. And what will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Tuesday. So the first day of a school week is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. So I'm going to put our numbers there. I think I'm going to pick the number. I'm going to pick this number. I'm going to pick the number 15. Who knows what number comes before 15? So the number that came before. Who knows? Tatum, do you know? 14. That's right. 14 comes before 15. And Aiden, what number comes after 16? What number comes after 15? That's right, 16. Kind of gave that answer away, didn't I? 14, 15, 16. So Monday is like the number 15. It's the number we're in right now. And then yesterday was the day before, or 14 is the number before. And then 16 is the number that comes after, just like Tuesday is the day that comes after Monday. Well, I hope you have a wonderful day. Today I'm going to the school to put together a packet of, of some fun worksheets for you and get you all set up so that you can start doing kindergarten at home for a little bit. I will talk with you later and I'll give you a little update on what our classroom looks like right now. They went in while we've been gone and they took out our wall, remember? And so I will post some pictures of what our classroom looks like right now, but wait for that later. I'll put it on Seesaw. Have a wonderful Monday. Please let me know what you're doing. I'd love to know what books you read. I'd love to see pictures that you draw. I would love just to hear you say hi to me. So have a wonderful day, and I think about you every day. And I'll get those Lion Pride cards out to you. I have a big pile of them right in front of me. So I love you and have a wonderful, wonderful Monday. Bye-bye.